Hello again, welcome to another video, and today we're in the Honda Civic, the MOT project. So we've had the welding done and now we're going off to the body shop to get them to take a look, see if they can tidy it up a bit on the sill where it's been welded, because it looks a bit of a mess at the moment. So we're going to head over to Tamworth to our friends at Fastlane Autos and have a look and see what they make of it when we get there. Well, here we are at Fastlane, and that's the job that I need them to take a look at. So let's see if we can go and find somebody to have a look at that for us. Well, there you go, we've dropped the Honda off. So let's see what he does with this. So hopefully that'll all be sorted in a few days' time. Well, it's been a week, and now we're back at Fastlane to see what they've done to the Civic for me. Remember, we was working on a very tight £150 budget here, so I'm not expecting anything fantastic, just asked them to tidy it up. So yeah, let's go in and see what they've done. Well, there it comes. Let's just take a look. So that doesn't look too bad at all. Quite pleased with that. Let me know what you think.